So how to change or update your fonts on your iPhone latest iOS 18? Go to your setting, then go to general, then you can see the font option. Now from here you can change your system fonts or any or add any new fonts from your iOS Apple Store. Simply type fonts, then you can see a lot of third-party apps. Those are safe, so don't worry about it. And if you want to change the system fonts, press on system fonts, then you can see a lot of fonts. You just need to download it on your iPhone, and you can choose as bold, italic, regular, etc. And to change fonts on your message option, suppose I'm then this icon, then press on A, then you can see a lot of option.